So it's already all over my scalp, my roots, and pretty much what I do now, I keep checking on it and then I start going back through the parts to see if I missed anything. Just for that reason, I made just a little bit of bleach. I don't need that much. So we could go over to see where else it needs to be touched up. You want to also check behind your ears, around the ear area, because I mean, imagine when you want to put in a ponytail. So that's a very obvious spot. Pretty much all around the edges. Make sure that that is good. I think I'm good. So far so good. I'm seeing, keep checking it. Maybe I can't really say that I'll leave it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's just I just keep checking it to see once it's in that banana peel stage, you know, how it's supposed to look like the inside of a banana. This is the finished result of my bleach roots. I think they came out really good. Well, I could show you, but there's some right here. But yeah, I don't normally bleach twice, but I really had to because the first time when I applied the bleach and I washed it off, I noticed the weird banding right here, and I thought, okay, no, I can't let that slide. So yes, even though I did not want to apply bleach again, I still had to just be very careful not to apply it where it was already fairly light. So yeah, and then another thing you guys did not see because I ran out of storage memory is after applying it where I needed to, I started dragging the bleach a little bit down further down here so it could, I guess, blend out. In addition to that, I ended up making a bleach bath. I keep forgetting what they call it, but yes, I did that, and that one I only added it to the bottom part of my hair, this part down here. For the bleach wash, I ended up using 1 ounce of the powder and then 1 ounce of 30 developer, what I had, and then shampoo, and I mixed that all together, and then that I left it in the bottom part of my hair. Even though it was 30, I noticed that it did lift it up quite considerably. So yeah, I did not leave it on for too long, even though it was diluted. Another thing that I wanted to point out is when I do have to apply bleach a second, third, or fourth time, I do not blow dry my hair whatsoever. I do not, because that's only causing further damage to your hair. So right when I get out of the shower, I just get a towel, take some of that excessive water off, and then do my mixture of bleach and then just apply it. There's nothing wrong with that. I haven't seen any problem with it. If anything, it dilutes the bleach a little bit and it takes a little bit longer to process, but I find that it's less damaging because your hair is wet, and I haven't run into any issues with it. It still lifts even though your hair is wet. So yeah, I mean, it's the same thing as a bleach wash, you know, even though your hair is wet, it's still in a way still processing slower, but it's still processing. So after bleaching, obviously it's toning or coloring hair, and I don't do that until the next following day. I give my scalp a few hours to rest, my hair, so I throw in like a mask, a tea tree oil, coconut oil, or another hair mask, whatever I have, and I leave that overnight and let it sit, especially to my scalp because that's where hair comes from, so you have to give your scalp some love. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do, you know. This is the process of bleaching my roots. I am in no way a professional, no way. I just love experimenting with my hair. I love testing it out, trying new products. I mean, it's hair. I mean, it'll grow back. So yeah, but it's fun doing crazy things to my hair. But yes, this is a process. If you guys have any questions or any techniques that could help me improve on how I bleach my roots, let me know. I would like to hear any other suggestions. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like so far the channel, subscribe. But yeah, this is it. This is what process of me bleaching my roots. It's kind of boring and it's time consuming, but it's something to do if you want blonde hair or light colored hair. So yeah, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.